Hi guys, good afternoon and welcome back to my channel. So guys, ang pag-uusapan natin dito, ito po para po sa mga tao na may mga diabetes. So ito, i-offer ko sa inyo itong coffee. Inumin po ninyo itong coffee pag ikaw ay may diabetes. So by the way guys, before tayo mag-proceed, o iba ano ko yung coffee, kung wala pa kayong Lazada account, dito po guys, isusulat ko po sa loob ng description yung link para makapag kayo ng Lazada. So by the way, ito po mag-sign up lang po kayo diyan. Click lang po yung sign up. Pagkatapos guys, i-ano po ninyo yung guys, yung sign up. Sandali lang. Wait lang na mag-sign up lang po kayo dito guys. Create your Lazada account. Yung phone number, first name. So, yung phone number guys is Philippines. And then, magano po yan sila, mag-send yung verification code sa cellphone ninyo. And then password, tapos birthday, gender, year, at yung po ninyo, first name, tapos po ninyo, i-click itong box and then sign up. So pagkatapos, kung nakasign up na kayo ng Lazada, maglalagin na pa kayo dito guys. Makareceive kayo ng mga SMS sa phone number ninyo at saka sa email kung may yung email ninyo din, kung meron pwede din, pero phone number po ito ang kailangan kasi phone number, please enter your phone number. So sa login lang po kayo pag meron na kayong account. So ngayon ipapakita ko sa inyo guys kung ano ba itong yung coffee. Ito po ay para sa mga diabetes. Kung meron kayong diabetes, special po ito sa mga diabetes, pwede tayo din iinom ito dito. So ito po yung pangalan ng guys, Doc Herbal Coffee 19 in 1 Insulin Plus with Stevia Drink Mix. So marami po ito guys kasi 9 in 1. Nandyan na po lahat. Tingnan po natin guys. So nagkakalaga lang po ng 150 pesos. So ayan po. Sa isang box, merong 10 sachet. So babasahin po natin guys. Dito, nakano po ito product details of Doc Herbal Coffee 19 in 1 organic for diabetes, tasteless, no test. So, cancelled po ito or return orders will be permanently blocked from our shop. So, ito po yan sa kay Dr. Herbal Coffee 19 in 1 organic for diabetes. So, yan po nakikita po ninyo is 10 sachet per box, good for diabetic. So, ano ba ito talaga guys? So, ang kailangan nandito na po ang lahat yung 19 in 1. So, mayroon po introducing our herbal coffee, empowering health and wellness, experience the extraordinary blend of our herbal coffee, carefully crafted to delight your sense and provide numerous health benefits. Our unique combination of ingredients including purple corn, barley, cinnamon, spirulina, wheatgrass, saluyot, stevia, turmeric, ashitaba, cucumber, moringa, mangosteen, insulin plant, Siberia palaya, ginseng, and carrots offers a wealth of advantage with a particular focus on supporting individuals with diabetes. What are the remarkable benefits each ingredients brings? So ito po guys, so 9 in 1 ito. So, kailangan lang po na babasahin natin at po tayo guys ito. Kailangan ito-try natin lalo na po kung meron kayong sugar level, yung mataas yung sugar ninyo. So, yung purple corn regulates blood sugar levels, reduces inflammation. Barley supports digestion, improves insulin sensitivity. Cinnamon enhances insulin sensitivity, promotes your health. Spirulina, meron ding nutrients rich, aids in managing blood sugar levels. Wheatgrass detoxify, regulates blood sugar, aids with management. Saluyot, vitamins, minerals, anti-diabetic properties. Stevia, zero calorie, sweetener, diabetic friendly. Ang turmeric naman guys, improve insulin sensitivity, anti-inflammatory, ashitaba boost insulin sensitivity, vitality, antioxidant, cucumber, low calorie, meron siyang hydrating, healthy skin, yung moringa lowers blood skin, antioxidant rich, mangosteen, meron din mangosteen, anti-inflammatory, manage blood sugar, insulin plant, lowers blood sugar naturally, supports pancreas, acai berry, meron din dito, antioxidant powerhouse, manage blood sugar, ampalaya, bitter melon lowers blood sugar, aids digestion, ginseng improves insulin sensitivity, reduces stress, carrots antioxidant, which regulates blood sugar. So experience the flavors and benefits of our herbal coffee designed to support individuals with diabetes. Embrace nature's power in every cup. So other benefits, ayan po guys, merong 19 in 1. So meron po ito, tingnan po ninyo guys, yung inflammation related condition, yung heart disease, yung digestive issues, blood sugar regulation, diabetes, immune system support, oxidative stress, detoxification, weight management, overall well-being, sugar substitute for diabetes management, inflammation, joint health, antioxidant support, vitality, hydration, skin health, nutrient support, eye health, energy levels, cognitive function. So, ito po yun guys. So, bili po kayo. So, nagkakahalaga lang po ng 150 pesos. So, paano ba bibili dito, mag-order? Nandyan po dyan sa loob ng description at sa comment section ko po, ipipin post ko yan, parang direct na kayo mag-order dito. By the way, kung wala pa kayong Lazada account, nandyan po, ano ko po, isasabay ko pagkatapos dito po yung link parang maka-order kayo kagad. So, kailangan lang po follow the instruction kung paano kayo mag-order, yung address na i-deliver sa inyong lugar with Lazada. So, i-try po ninyo guys, lalo na po sa mga may mga diabetes, shout out sa mga diabetes, yung mga sugar na mataas yung sugar level nila, i-try po ninyo ito guys kasi nandyan po yan at basta guys, marami itong nakabili at saka yung nanay ko guys, marami talaga as in satisfied yung nanay ko. So try po ninyo dito yung offer ko. Basta guys, unang-una, mura lang po yung box na yan at 10 yung sa loob na yan. So, araw-araw kainumin yung bali 10 days. Pwede din 2 times a day. Depende yan po sa inyo guys. So, that it is all about to my video. Itong coffee na yan, yung Doc Herbal Coffee 19 in 1 Insulin Plus, para po sa mga taong mayroong diabetes. So, ayan po guys. Thank you very much for watching and don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel at paki-hit lang po yung bell icon para maka-notify kayo kung ano yung mga bago kong mga video. Thank you very much and bye for now.